This is Lindsay from Paradise Weddings, and today we're looking at the splash pool venue at Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres. If you're looking for a unique and private venue, the splash pool is a fantastic choice. The spacious design of this terrace provides ample flexibility for seating arrangements and decor. Add in the stunning rooftop setting and the inviting pool area, and you've got a picture-perfect backdrop for your wedding photos. This venue can accommodate 80 to 100 guests for your reception. With its proximity to the splash pool bar, your cocktail party is sure to be unforgettable. But if you're still unsure this is the venue for you, check out our Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres playlist. We're showcasing all of the incredible wedding venues at this resort and many others. Hit subscribe, start planning, and we will see you in paradise.